I'm Deidre.
I'm Darius.
We're Nights Treks, and we're here at Cabana Bay to give you a few reasons why you should stay here during Halloween Horror Nights. This is our favorite place to stay during this time of year. And we always make this trek every year because it's this guy's birthday.
And we made the trek here on her birthday.
We did. This is like our birthday celebration spot.
It really
So during Halloween Horror Nights, it's our favorite place to come, and here's a few reasons why. They've got tons of area to sit and wait with your luggage while your room is prepared. They've got live entertainment while you wait outside. They've got the Swizzle Lounge here in the lobby, but during Halloween, it's more than just the Swizzle Lounge. They have specialty cocktails, and it's full of cool decor. Their gift shop is going to be decorated for Halloween. Every window is celebrating the holiday. And it's got a retro vibe because it's a retro resort. And you know, they somehow have to make it beach themed. So, you know, Halloween at the beach. You can also get Halloween Horror Nights merchandise here in the store. This is the same stuff you're going to be able to get inside the parks or at the Universal store inside of City Walk. But it's cool that, you know, if you miss something there, you can just get it here. Or you can get it here because you really want it and you don't want to miss out. Like, look, they only have about, yeah, they only have 2 of these left. Another reason is because every time we stay here, our room is always ready. I don't know how we get this lucky, but every time it's ready.
I love it.
This is a poolside, pool view family suites. Lots and lots of space here for your food. Plus you get a microwave. They give you some plastic, little plateware and bowlware. Ice bucket, coffee maker. Do not overcrowd the refrigerator. Okay. Oh, but that's a big refrigerator. That's bigger than what you would get in one of the rooms. Oh, nice. Nice, nice. Got a sink. This is great. There's some seating area with bar stools. Storage over there. And then this turns into a bed. So it's like a whole room by itself. And then the pool view is really, really good. We're going to be in the Starlights. This is the Starlight building. So we've got a really good pool view, and we're next to the lobby. And we can definitely hear the music from the pool. So if that's going to bother you, I would suggest not getting a pool view and getting one of the bigger rooms, family suites on the other side of the building over on that side. But we don't mind it. So it's not completely private here. Like, you can see a little bit, but like it looks creepy with like the shadow. It's perfect for Halloween Horror Nights. You just need a knife in your hand and be like, oh no. Okay, Mike Myers. All right, we're gonna take you on a tour of the bedroom now. Give us a tour, babe. Take it away, Ed. Take it away, Ed.
Welcome to the bedroom.
Nice, nice.
All right, as you can see, you got 2 beds. Don't mind the second one. It's like someone already laid in it. I don't know what happened there.
Oh no, what happened there?
I don't know.
Oh.
It just was already like that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
These look like queens, right? I would say they're queens.
I know, right? Because I slay queen. Okay, let me stop.
Oh look, I didn't even. What?
Oh, yeah.
I love. Oh my gosh, what is this?
That. is
What?
a closet area.
That's a huge closet. There's your extra bedding up top. This place is ginormous. Okay, so I like that the toilet is separate from the sink that is separate from the sink in the shower. And it's got a tub. There are 2 pools, so if you don't like the vibe at this one, you can go to the other one. And they have movies at the other theater, or at the other pool too. So no matter what you're looking for here, you can find it. Relaxing, party. Lazy river. They have a lazy river here too.
I like to see these.
Yeah. Another reason to come to Cabana Bay is they have a bowling alley right in the hotel.
Hold up. Wait, no, that's not how I do it. 1 second.
We're gonna go. We're gonna go later.
There we go.
There you go. Nice. Nice. Do you remember the first time you asked me on a date to go bowling and you're like, I was like, I'm not good. And you're like, I'm me neither. It's fine. Let's go have fun. And then you beat the pants off me because you are really good. Do you remember that?
Nope.
Well.
I just had to warm up.
Oh, okay.
Brown, yeah.
But I thank you for tipping your hat to me. We're tied. For this game, we're tied. Wait, you messed up? Oh no. Stop it. Don't let me win again.
I gotta go. What are you talking about?
Don't let me win again.
I like how I like that you think I can control which way the ball goes.
You're literally in control of the ball. That's what this bowling is. Oh no, we're tied now. What are you? Is this actually gonna work? Listen, be careful. Hey, that's pretty good. I got beat, but I didn't get the pants beat off me this time. I stayed in it. I stayed in it. Speed round, last couple minutes before our lane time ends. Also at Cabana Bay this time of year, they have something extra, something cool. Last year we had the Jacked Up experience, and this year we have Gallery of Legends. It's basically a photo op walkthrough, but it is a little scary. And you can only come in if you are staying at one of the Universal Orlando Resort hotels. Yeah, do it spooky. Do it spooky. Okay. Okay.
Ready? Thank you.
Ooh, hello. Oh my gosh. This is so cool. Come back! Reminds me of the Hollywood house, La Llorona, where she's eating the kids.
Hi.
Another reason we love to stay at Cabana Bay for Halloween Horror Nights is because even though it's midnight, you can stop by Bayliner Diner for late night bites on Halloween Horror Nights. Oh,
My bad.
but only on Halloween Horror Nights. And Bayliner Diner will close 1 hour after Halloween Horror Night closes. So they're open until 3 a.m. All of the grab and go options are available. They obviously have everything else closed. They're not just gonna keep all the stations open hours after dinner. You can get some cheese pizza, boneless chicken wings, and they keep it in this hot box. Or pepperoni pizza. They also have these cute spoopy designs for their refillable freestyle cups here at Cabana Bay. You get a margarita and salt and 2 glasses and a bucket. Look how cute this is. And then you just fill this up with ice and then keep your margaritas cold. That's so cool. Another great reason is that you're just steps away from Volcano Bay, and you have your own entrance, and you can get in an hour early some days too. I like your lights. They're pretty. Yeah. Oh wow! They're so pretty. Oh! She got you good. I'm scared. I'm afraid it's gonna shoot me in the face.
Huh?
I'm afraid it's gonna shoot me in the face.
Gotta do that.
Oh! That is cool. Another reason that we love staying here during Halloween Horror Nights is because we know you stay out super late. We do. And then we come back here in the morning, we're all groggy. Get your Starbucks first thing in the morning or in the afternoon right before you go to Halloween Horror Nights. Right here in the lobby. And one of the best things here is the bus stop. It's gonna be right over here by Bayliner Diner. If you have one too many drinks in your Blinky cup, you can take the bus. So just in case we do that, we always take the bus. I mean, and you don't have to drive, you don't have to park, you don't have to worry about getting out your annual pass and having them scan it and verify it and then being in the throngs of people. You don't have to worry about trying to find your car on the way back and it's 2 in the morning and you don't want to walk that far to your car. And then what if you can't find your car? No, just take the bus. Super easy. And honestly, if you get a busload of fun people, it's super fun too. All right, and those have been our reasons why we love to stay at Cabana Bay for Halloween Horror Nights. And I mean, it's not luxury, and you could probably get that by going to a Portofino Bay if that's what you wanted. But for fun, convenience, food options.
We love the pool, love water.
2 pools. Two
pools and a water park.
The water park's right there. Early access to the water park. It's a good deal for us because it's what we love to do. It's got everything we need. And
it's got that retro feel, so if you're one of those people that love retro.
Yes, we do. We love the theming. We're big theme people. So like when we go to Disney, we would pick Art of Animation over just a contemporary because we love the theming. So it's a very early morning for us. We are done here at Cabana Bay. We're not done with Halloween Horror Nights though. There's still more of that coming. And
still more scares.
More scares to be had.
more heartbeats.
The hearts to beat out of the chest.
More hearts to be increased. Heart rates to be increased.
Oh man! All right, we're gonna hit the road, get our day started, and thank you so much for trekking with us, and we'll see you real soon. Bye.